How to turn on driving mode on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Scroll down. Head towards the option of focus. Now at the top right corner you will find this plus icon. Click on it. Now head towards this option of driving. Open it. Now click on customize focus. Now scroll down. You will see this option of while driving. Click on it. Now you can check in for the option of automatically. When you check in for the option of automatically, your iPhone will automatically detect when you are in a car and enable the driving mode and silence notification for text messages and phone calls. This way you won't be bothered by incoming alerts when you are behind the wheel. Or you can select the option of when connected to car Bluetooth, which means when your car connects with your phone via a Bluetooth, the driving mode will be enabled. So go ahead and select the option that best suits your need. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily turn on driving mode on iPhone. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.